After you desk a deal, it is ready for F&I, which is what I will cover in this video. The first thing I will show you is where you set up your default financing terms. From the Sales Manager main menu, I'll select F&I Manager, Administration, Financing Term Defaults. These defaults can and should be changed as well as periodically updated to reflect current rates. From the Sales Manager main menu, I select Lookup Deal. Checking Pending Approved allows me to find and open my buyer's order quickly. In this case, I'll continue with my customers, John and Jane, from our Desk a Deal video. Now I'll select F1 Bank Contract, where I'll sell additional products as well as set up financing. I'll enter the contract date here. This is the date that your customer will sign and take ownership. Notice that financing information has automatically been entered for you. This was previously set up as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but you can change them simply by overwriting the information. Now I'll select a lender for my contract, but I notice that US Bank isn't on the list. So we'll simply add them by selecting this icon here. Once the information is entered, save and close, and now we can select them from the list. The F&I Manager's name has already been added by default, but you can change it if need be. Over here on the right, you see the customer's current monthly payment. If this were a cash deal, I would simply select No Financing over here on the left. Before my customer is with me, I'll select this plus sign and add the current prices and actual cost of all added-on warranty options my dealership offers. And then we'll simply just select the minus sign to hide that. Now, once my customer is with me, I'll select this plus sign here next to per month. This shows the amount that would be added to my customer's monthly payment, which gives me a better chance of selling these added warranties. If my customer accepts a service contract, I would then select this icon here, select the warranty company from the drop-down box, or if I needed to, I could add one here. Then I would fill in the rest of this information. If my customer were to decline these offers, I would simply select this minus signs and toggle here. Notice that automatically updates the customer's monthly payment. I'll print a standardized thank you letter. Now let's go back to the buyer's order and I'll apply my customer's deposit. Select Receive Deposit. Select a payment type. Enter the amount. Select Enter on your keyboard. Apply payments, print receipt. I'll receive a message saying that the payment has been applied. Now I'll hand my customer the thank you letter, the deposit receipt, and start my credit approval process. Once credit has been approved, I'll select a delivery date. And place this deal in approved status. I can now quickly schedule my customer's walk-through delivery using our calendar and walk my customers through their vehicle. In our next video, contract printing, I will show how to print all the customer's paperwork so I will be prepared during their walkthrough appointment, which is when they will sign their paperwork and take ownership.